Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Clara, a Feng Shui consultant based in Sydney. Today, I've got some floor plans with me because in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the money corner in your house. I've got a lot of people asking me, where exactly is the money corner? How do I find the money corner with the open floor plan? What if the money corner is in the bathroom? First, let's get the definition right. The money corner is the furthest corner formed by two solid walls that's diagonally opposite the entry of your front door. In most cases, this corner is located in your living room or dining room. But since every house layout is different, we may need to adapt this principle to your specific layout. In Feng Shui, getting the money corner right is crucial because it can help accumulate the positive energy, bringing more abundance and prosperity into your life. Let's get into an example. Okay, first, let's find the front entrance, which is right here. Imagine the energy flowing like water, entering through the front door, flowing through the entryway, and into the living or dining room. And the money corner is the furthest corner of the room, formed by two solid walls that provide strong foundation for wealth energy to accumulate. However, there's a potential issue with the sliding door next to the money corner. What we can do is to hang sheer curtains on this side of the door to prevent wealth energy flowing away. Here's another example. This is the front door, where positive energy enters the house. However, there's a problem with this layout. The front door is almost directly in line with the laundry area. This means that most of the positive energy entering through the front door would just flow right out through the laundry, without circulating through the house. Only a small amount of the positive energy would reach the living room, making it ineffective in accumulating wealth energy. To fix this, we can place the tall indoor plant in the entryway to redirect the energy flow. This way, the positive energy would flow harmoniously into the living room and the money corner. However, there's another issue with this layout. The money corner is located right across from the stove, and the strong energy from the fire element would totally disrupt the money corner. To solve this problem, an alternative solution is to shift the money corner to this corner where there's no disruption and ensure that the wealth energy can gather and accumulate effectively. Here's another example. This is the entrance of the layout, and the money corner should be the furthest corner diagonally opposite the entry in the living room. However, there's a problem with this layout. The front door is directly facing the bedroom door. This is bad feng shui because the energy can just rush straight into the bedroom at a high speed, disrupting the balance and tranquility of the bedroom. The remaining positive energy would flow through the dining area, which is not effective in accumulating positive energy because you don't have much to start with. To fix this, we can hang beaded curtains on the bedroom door to create a barrier. This will redirect the energy flow into the money corner in the living room, ensuring a more harmonious and prosperous environment. Thank you everyone. If there are any feng shui topics you are interested in, feel free to leave your comments below. See you next time.